Today in the workshop, we've got another Milwaukee-Eight manifold job in our hands. And I already know what you're thinking. A manifold job? Really? Is that worth making a video over? Well, yes, because it's one of those parts you never brag about until it quietly costs you power. And here's the deal. Big bore M8s are all about flow. More air in, more air out. The factory manifold does an okay job, but that's on a stock bike. And once you start leaning on it with larger engine displacements, it becomes the choke point. There's a lot less tolerance for heat when the motor's working really hard. So the fix and the upgrade is the S&S 55mm Performance Intake Manifold. It's T6 heat-treated cast aluminum CNC-machined, and it replaces the stock plastic piece. In the right combo, it's worth around 3 to 5 extra ponies, and the real win is consistency. Solid sealing, stable shape, and airflow that suits a serious build. If you're doing motor work on a first-gen Milwaukee-Eight, don't skip the manifold. Fix the bottleneck, remove the weak link, and let the rest of your combo actually breathe. For more info, options, and prices, head to rolleyspeedshop.com today.